In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create this material spinning animation in 4 minutes. This is an interesting illusion, because normally it is the mesh that gets rotated. I'll hide this sphere and show you how to create this object from scratch. I have used a UV sphere. Ctrl 3 to subdivide, and right-click to shade smooth. I'll show you how I have added the grid material. It's showing what I have already created. If you want to create a new one, please first expand the UV window to make a room like this. Please press the X button, and we'll see the new icon to create a new material. There are 2 types of the built-in grid materials. We'll use the first one. The trick is to click and drag this icon to the node editor. I'll hide this new sphere, and show you the full nodes from the previous one. Basically, we're telling Blender to separate the UV map into X and Y, and spin the X coordinates by using 2 math nodes. If you're not able to find the multiply and the add nodes, please add a math node first, and change to proper types. I have created a 100 frames long animation by animating the multiply values. If we increase the multiply value, we get this illusion. The material starts to spin. We can get interesting effects by changing the multiply values. I have keyframed the value of 0 for frame 1 and 100, and the value of 1 for frame 50. When we play the animation, we can see the spinning material illusion. What's interesting is the fact that the material spins no matter what the shape is. This illusion could make very interesting abstract art animations. This is the end of the tutorial. Thank you for watching.